ETNA WebTrader Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to ETNA WebTrader and related product in the description below. Let's dive right into the review. ETNA WebTrader is a robust, web-based trading platform designed for brokers, traders, and financial institutions seeking a powerful and customizable solution for executing trades across multiple asset classes. Unlike traditional trading platforms, ETNA WebTrader offers advanced features for professional traders while being user-friendly enough for less experienced users. It's perfect for brokers looking to provide their clients with a seamless trading experience, especially when dealing with equities, options, and forex. ETNA WebTrader comes with a wide range of features designed to enhance trading efficiency. One of its core strengths is its high degree of customization, allowing brokers to tailor the platform to suit their specific needs, whether they are trading equities, options, or forex. It offers advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and fully integrated order entry systems. A standout feature is its multi-device accessibility, ensuring that traders can access the platform on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. The platform also supports multiple order types, including market, limit, and stop orders, along with real-time risk management tools to help traders minimize exposure. Additionally, ETNA WebTrader offers advanced algorithmic trading capabilities, allowing professional traders to automate their strategies for more efficient execution. The biggest strength of ETNA WebTrader is its adaptability and scalability. Brokers and financial institutions can easily white-label the platform, offering a branded experience for their clients. Its highly customizable interface allows for a personalized user experience, catering to traders of all skill levels. The advanced charting and technical analysis tools provide valuable insights for both novice and experienced traders. Additionally, ETNA WebTrader's web-based nature ensures that it is accessible from anywhere, offering full functionality across devices. The ability to integrate with back-office systems and its support for algorithmic trading are also major advantages for more professional users. Weaknesses. The primary downside of ETNA WebTrader is its complexity for beginners. While it offers a range of powerful tools, those new to trading might find the platform overwhelming at first. It's not as beginner-friendly as some simpler trading platforms and requires a bit of a learning curve. Additionally, while the platform supports multiple asset classes, it may not have the depth of advanced features that specialized platforms for each asset class provide. Pricing can also be on the higher end for smaller brokers. Final verdict: ETNA WebTrader is a powerful, customizable platform ideal for brokers and professional traders who need an adaptable, scalable trading solution. It offers advanced tools, seamless access across devices, and a high level of customization, making it a great option for those looking to provide clients with a top-tier trading experience. If you're looking for a flexible and feature-rich trading platform, ETNA WebTrader is worth considering. Check the links in the description to learn more, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.